Today, I'm making 3 smoothies designed to support your skin from the inside out, not as a miracle fix, not as some unrealistic detox trend, but as simple daily habits that can support hydration, inflammation balance, digestion, energy, and overall skin quality over time. Because skincare is not only about what you apply on the surface, your skin also reflects sleep, stress, hydration, nutrition, and the way you nourish your body consistently. These smoothies are easy to make, full of nutrients, and designed to support different areas of internal wellness that often show up directly on the skin. And if you want all of these recipes in one place, I've also created a free ebook on my website that you can download anytime. Now, let's start with the first smoothie. Glow and Anti-Inflammatory Smoothie. This smoothie is focused on hydration, antioxidants, inflammation support, and overall skin brightness. Ingredients: apple, orange juice, pineapple, banana, juice of 1 lime, half a teaspoon of spirulina, fresh mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper. Start with the apple. Apples provide both fiber and antioxidants that help support digestion and overall internal balance. They contain naturally occurring polyphenols, plant compounds that help protect the body from oxidative stress. While we often focus on applying antioxidants through skincare, consuming antioxidant-rich foods can also help support the skin from within. The fiber in apples additionally helps promote healthy digestion, and when digestion is functioning efficiently, the skin often appears calmer, clearer, and more balanced over time. Next, add the orange juice and pineapple. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, one of the most important nutrients for healthy-looking skin. Vitamin C plays a key role in collagen production, helping support the skin's structure, firmness, and overall resilience. Pineapple also contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that supports digestion and may help the body process food more efficiently. Better digestion can often translate into less internal stress, which may positively influence skin appearance. Together, orange and pineapple create a refreshing combination that supports hydration, brightness, and overall skin vitality. Add 1 banana for creaminess and natural sweetness. Bananas provide potassium, which helps support proper fluid balance throughout the body. Since hydrated skin starts with a hydrated body, this can indirectly support a fresher and healthier complexion. Bananas also contain vitamin B6 and prebiotic fibers that help nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Because gut health and skin health are closely connected, supporting digestive wellness can contribute to calmer, more balanced skin over time. Now squeeze in fresh lime juice. Lime adds another source of vitamin C while helping brighten the overall flavor of the smoothie. Beyond its refreshing taste, vitamin C helps support the body's natural antioxidant defenses and contributes to collagen synthesis. The acidity from lime also helps balance the sweetness of the fruits, creating a fresher and lighter blend that feels energizing and refreshing. Next comes spirulina. Spirulina is often considered one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods available. It contains protein, iron, magnesium, B vitamins, chlorophyll, and a variety of antioxidant compounds. One of its most unique components is phycocyanin, a powerful antioxidant pigment that gives spirulina its deep blue-green color. These nutrients help support overall wellness, energy production, and the body's natural defense systems. While no ingredient can magically transform your skin, spirulina can be a valuable addition to a nutrient-rich lifestyle that supports healthier-looking skin over time. If you're new to spirulina, start slowly because the flavor can be quite strong. Add fresh mint leaves. Mint provides a cooling, refreshing finish while helping the smoothie feel lighter and more invigorating. Traditionally, mint has been used to support digestion and reduce feelings of heaviness after meals. A calmer digestive system often supports overall well-being, which can indirectly benefit the skin. Now add turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric is one of the most researched spices when it comes to supporting the body's natural inflammatory response. Its active compound, curcumin, has been widely studied for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Since inflammation can contribute to redness, sensitivity, and overall skin stress, supporting internal balance may help promote a calmer-looking complexion over time. Black pepper contains piperine, which significantly improves the absorption of curcumin, helping the body utilize turmeric more effectively. Together, they create one of the most popular wellness combinations for supporting overall health and recovery. Hey, this video is sponsored by me. Check out my website, stayglowing.com. On the site, I talk about skincare, how to really take care of your skin, and get that natural glow. There's stuff about your body too. Small daily habits that help you feel stronger, more energetic, and just better overall. I also share tips for a balanced gut, because when your digestion's happy, your skin and energy show it. And mindfulness, of course. Simple ways to calm your mind, reduce stress, and feel more at peace. It's all in one place: skin, body, gut, and mind. Stay Glowing is about helping you become your best, most radiant self. Go check it out at stayglowing.com. Green Energy and Skin Balance Smoothie. This smoothie is focused on energy, mineral intake, digestion, and supporting clearer-looking skin through nutrient-rich greens. Ingredients: apple, banana, spinach leaves, pears, kale leaves or romaine lettuce, fresh ginger slices, pinch of matcha. Start with the apple as your base. Apples provide natural sweetness while contributing fiber and antioxidant compounds that help support overall wellness. Their polyphenol content helps protect cells from oxidative stress, while the fiber helps support digestive regularity. Because the skin often reflects what's happening internally, supporting digestion and overall nutrient intake can help contribute to healthier-looking skin over time. Add banana for texture and balance. Bananas help create a smooth and creamy consistency while also providing potassium and carbohydrates that support energy levels. They contain prebiotic fibers that help nourish beneficial gut bacteria, which play an important role in digestion and overall internal balance. Since gut health and skin health are closely connected, this makes bananas a valuable ingredient for both flavor and function. Now add spinach and romaine lettuce. Spinach provides iron, folate, magnesium, and antioxidants that support overall wellness and healthy-looking skin. It's a very easy way to increase your daily intake of greens without affecting the taste too much. Romaine lettuce adds extra hydration and nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, and folate. It has a very high water content, which keeps the smoothie light and refreshing, but it can also bring a slightly bitter, earthy taste. If you don't enjoy that hint of bitterness, you can simply skip the romaine lettuce. The smoothie will still be nutrient-rich and taste a bit sweeter and milder with just spinach. Next, add pear. Pears provide natural sweetness, hydration, and additional fiber. They're often well-tolerated and gentle on digestion, making them a great addition for people looking to support gut health. The fiber content helps promote digestive regularity, while the naturally high water content contributes to overall hydration. Both digestion and hydration play important roles in maintaining healthy-looking skin. Now add fresh ginger slices. Ginger has been used for centuries to support digestion and overall well-being. It contains bioactive compounds that help support the body's natural inflammatory response while also contributing a warming, invigorating flavor. Many people find ginger helpful for reducing feelings of digestive discomfort, making it a valuable ingredient in wellness-focused smoothies. Finish with a small pinch of matcha. Matcha contains concentrated antioxidants known as catechins, particularly EGCG, which has been widely studied for its antioxidant properties. Unlike coffee, matcha provides caffeine alongside the amino acid L-theanine, creating a more balanced and sustained energy experience for many people. This combination can promote focus and alertness without the dramatic energy spikes and crashes some people experience from coffee. The antioxidant content also helps support the body's defenses against daily environmental stressors. Green Detox and Hydration Smoothie. This smoothie is focused on hydration, digestion, puffiness reduction, and supporting overall skin clarity. Ingredients: apple, kiwi, spinach leaves, celery sticks, mango, olive oil. Start with the apple and kiwi. These fruits create a refreshing foundation while providing fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C. Kiwi is particularly impressive when it comes to vitamin C content and can provide substantial antioxidant support. Vitamin C helps support collagen production, which contributes to skin firmness and resilience. The combination of fiber and antioxidants also supports digestion and overall wellness, making these fruits a strong foundation for skin-supportive nutrition. Next, add spinach leaves. Spinach provides a wide variety of vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that help support overall health. It contains iron, magnesium, folate, and antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. These nutrients play important roles throughout the body, including supporting healthy circulation, energy production, and overall nourishment. Consistently including greens like spinach can help fill nutritional gaps that many people unknowingly have. Add celery sticks. Celery is naturally high in water, making it an excellent ingredient for hydration-focused smoothies. Proper hydration is one of the simplest yet most important factors for maintaining healthy-looking skin. Celery also provides minerals such as potassium and contains plant compounds that contribute to overall wellness. Many people enjoy celery in smoothies because it adds freshness without overwhelming the flavor. Now add mango. Mango brings natural sweetness, a smooth texture, and a variety of beneficial nutrients. It contains vitamin C, vitamin A precursors, and antioxidant compounds that help support skin health and overall wellness. Vitamin A is involved in healthy skin renewal processes, while vitamin C contributes to collagen production. Beyond the nutritional benefits, mango makes green smoothies significantly more enjoyable and satisfying. Finally, add a small amount of olive oil. This simple step can make a surprisingly big difference. Olive oil provides healthy monounsaturated fats that help support overall wellness and skin barrier function. Fat is also important because it helps the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K. For me personally, smoothies became less about trends and more about consistency. They're one of the easiest ways for me to increase my intake of fruits, greens, minerals, and fiber without overcomplicating nutrition. Especially during busy days, it helps me stay more balanced and gives my body nutrients that are often difficult to get consistently otherwise. And while smoothies alone won't completely transform your skin, I do notice that when my digestion, hydration, and overall nutrition are more balanced, my skin usually reflects that too. It tends to look calmer, fresher, and healthier overall. Because skincare products absolutely matter. But healthy skin is also deeply connected to lifestyle, stress levels, sleep, movement, hydration, and the way we nourish ourselves daily. And sometimes the smallest habits create the biggest long-term changes. Each of these smoothies supports a different side of skin health, from hydration and antioxidants to digestion and inflammation balance, not through extremes, not through restriction, but through simple ingredients used consistently over time, because glowing skin is rarely about one miracle product or one perfect habit. It's usually the result of many small things working together every single day. And if you want all of these recipes in one place, You can download the free smoothie ebook on my website anytime. Also, let me know in the comments, which smoothie would you actually try first? And what's your biggest skin concern right now? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more skincare and self-care content. And until next time, stay glowing.